Looking for a smart way to use the space under your bed? Pivot turns it into a full home gym. Lift the bed and you get a workout station with pull-up bars, dip bars, and even a power rack for squats and bench presses. When lowered, it's a regular bed. Tired of ugly garbage bins in your yard? Jukin's Hideout hides them underground. Its design, made of aluminum, steel, and concrete, supports walkable lids perfect for small yards. It can even store bikes or garden tools, making outdoor spaces more organized. Imagine a garage hidden right beneath the road, spacious enough for an entire fleet. EcoSpace ITs moves cars using electro-hydraulic tech. They stack vehicles vertically and work automatically without drivers. Perfect for crowded cities, these systems fit any building. Elevate your home. Elevate your life. That's the idea behind Skylock Stairs. With the push of a button, these motorized stairs glide from the ceiling, folding away when not in use. Built from strong beech hardwood, they're safe, quiet, and with smart features like remote control, Bluetooth, and battery backup. The Poolar Pool from Germany makes your pool safe. It opens and closes automatically along the pool, also keeping dirt out. Strong enough to support weight, it adds a key safety layer. Your yard must be a peaceful space you've always wanted. The Yard Enforcer takes care of that. This motion-activated sprinkler senses animals up to 40 feet away and sprays a burst of water to keep deer, rabbits, and birds off your plants. Movies and games make it seem like criminals love the dark, but a 14-year study in England and Wales found no link between streetlights and crime. For your home safety, startle lights up to 11,000 lumens, motion activated up to 75 feet, plus covering 360 degrees. You can't steal what you can't see is the idea behind Verishore's system. When an intrusion is confirmed, it quickly fills the space with smoke, blocking visibility and forcing intruders out. Covering over 1,000 square feet, the wireless system works with cameras and sensors, activates only after verification, and keeps people and property safe. Joe Curran, a former U.S. Army instructor and deputy sheriff, turned his focus to protection after the tragedy at Virginia Tech. As a father of two, he wanted something practical to keep kids safer. So he founded Bullet Blocker and created the first bulletproof backpack. His shields use Kevlar and can stop most handgun rounds. Home Sweet Home means peace of mind with the right security. The KeyGuard XL is a wall-mounted key safe built for outdoor use. With dual certification, glow-in-the-dark push buttons, and a weatherproof cover, it stores multiple keys securely. Connecting this system to smoke alarms helps protect specific rooms in your home during a fire. Auto-set doors and shutters automatically close and reset even during power outages, providing reliable safety.